Welcome back people, how have things been? It's likely that if you are seeing this video, you are dealing with terrible credit and a lot of financial stress. You should know that you are not by yourself. I know what it's like to go through difficult times and feel hopeless. You are fortunate today as I'm here now to discuss various quick loan alternatives that will assist you in getting back on your feet. Let's start by addressing the obvious problem. The problem of having negative credit might feel like a huge burden, and trust me it is, but not anymore. It can make you feel helpless and restrict your possibilities. You and your future are not defined by your credit history. Even if your credit score isn't great, there are lenders out there who are eager to work with you. The video shall detail 5 of the best urgent loan lenders for bad credit with guaranteed approval rates. 1. Fund Finance. The very first brand in our suggestion list for the fastest urgent loans is Fund Finance. The company has the ability to provide personal loans up to $50,000, which is ideal for people who might require a little more than just pocket coins. They serve their audience with a quick process and follow the application process. The majority of their applicants get a decision within an hour so that they can prioritize their current repayment capacity above their credit history. You can also be a customer of this site by simply going to their website, completing the online application, and providing them with some very basic personal and financial information about your income and expenses. 2. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans is the best option if you are searching for a business that specializes in smaller loans with rapid approval processes. They make it simple to obtain the ideal loan quantity for your needs because they offer loans in amounts between $100 and $5,000. Applications here are commonly processed in a matter of minutes with the brand's quick approval procedure, and even non-techies may easily browse the application thanks to their easily manipulated website. You can immediately receive a decision by providing basic information about yourself and the amount you need to borrow on their web form. 3. Money Lender Squad. Money Lender Squad is our next best choice for being the most excellent option for people needing urgent loans and have poor credit. They are experts at putting borrowers in touch with lenders who recognize that things happen in life and that credit reports don't always accurately represent a borrower's capacity to repay debt. You can request a loan and borrow anything from $1,000 to $50,000 with Money Lender Squad. Their application process is very easy to catch. All you have to do is complete a little online form to get your decision right away. They do provide adjustable repayment options that can range from almost 3 to 5 years. You can thus manage your payments without becoming overburdened. Applying here won't lower your score as they don't run hard credit checks. 4. Jungle Finance. Our next best choice for a bad credit loan is Jungle Finance. They provide loans in the $500 minus $5,000 range. Their APRs range from 200% to 800%. This rate of return is typically higher than your regular loans, but their credit conditions are more relaxed. Many borrowers at Jungle Finance receive their monies within 1 business day. The company's reputation thus is prime for quick approval processes. The process of applying for this loan here shall only require you to submit certain basic financial and personal information that you also do while applying to banks. A copy of your driver's license or another form of official identification will also be needed to prove your legal identity. The money is all yours within hours of loan approval. 5. Hard Paydays. Here comes our another favorite bad credit loan lender that focuses on loans for people with bad credit. Hard Paydays. The company provides loans in the $100 minus $1,000 range and has annual percentage rates APRs majorly taking shapes between 200% to 800%. Hard Paydays is famous for its quick and simple application process. Their lend loan amounts are comparatively smaller, but the services available with them are unmatched. Just like any other lender, they also require you to prove your identity through some legal documents, including the option of proof of income and a copy of your driver's license or other government-issued ID. Final thought. I realize it can seem overwhelming, but making the initial move is essential. Rebuilding your financial future is a process that starts with little steps, like getting a small personal loan or consulting a credit counselor. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on overcoming financial obstacles if you found it helpful. And never forget that better times are coming. Keep moving forward. You can succeed at this.